Case Study, Navigating Cyber Threats, a comprehensive analysis of TechGuard Inc.'s multifaceted cybersecurity challenges and mitigation strategies. The fallout from a cyber attack on a multinational corporation, TechGuard Inc., exposed the vulnerabilities inherent in the modern digital landscape. As the company's CTO, Jennifer, had to navigate the aftermath of a sophisticated ransomware attack that encrypted the company's critical customer databases. She received an urgent call from the IT department one morning, reporting that employees were unable to access the company's core systems and had encountered a ransom note demanding payment in Bitcoin for decryption keys. The ransomware attack had carved a path of disruption, jeopardizing customer trust and operational stability. What steps should Jennifer take to contain and mitigate the ransomware attack while maintaining transparency with stakeholders? Engaging a cybersecurity incident response team to isolate the affected systems would be a priority. Communicating transparently with stakeholders, Jennifer explained the nature of the attack and the steps being taken to resolve it, thus maintaining trust. The team would then use forensic analysis to determine the attack vector, which in this case was an email attachment opened by an employee. This insight led to a broader discussion about how TechGuard could enhance its email security protocols and emphasize employee training to recognize phishing attempts. 3 months later, another challenge surfaced when TechGuard's marketing manager, David, received a call from a supposed IT support representative. The caller, posing convincingly as an insider, requested David's login credentials to perform an urgent system update. Without hesitation, David complied, inadvertently compromising his account. The next day, sensitive customer data was leaked online, causing a reputation crisis for TechGuard. What measures should TechGuard implement to prevent such social engineering attacks in the future? The case underscores the importance of comprehensive employee training focused on cybersecurity awareness. Employees must be trained to verify the identity of anyone requesting sensitive information. Implementing strict authentication protocols, such as multi-factor authentication, would add an extra layer of security. Moreover, regular phishing simulations could help employees develop a critical eye towards suspicious requests. In a parallel event, TechGuard's website experienced a dramatic increase in traffic, overwhelming its servers and rendering the site inaccessible. Analysis revealed that the site was under a distributed denial-of-service attack, orchestrated by a botnet that directed vast amounts of traffic to its servers. The attack disrupted online services and caused significant financial losses. How can TechGuard effectively mitigate the impact of DDoS attacks in the future? Deploying DDoS protection services that can absorb and deflect malicious traffic is essential. Traffic filtering and rate limiting would also be critical components of a robust defense strategy. Additionally, continuous monitoring of network traffic patterns could help identify and respond to unusual spikes in traffic before they escalate into full-blown attacks. While the company was still reeling from these incidents, another breach occurred. An attacker exploited a vulnerability in TechGuard's software update mechanism, a supply chain attack that compromised third-party vendor software. This breach allowed the attacker to infiltrate TechGuard's systems, accessing sensitive internal data. What steps should TechGuard take to bolster its supply chain security? TechGuard must rigorously vet third-party vendors to ensure they adhere to stringent security standards. Implementing security measures across the supply chain, such as regular security audits and continuous monitoring for signs of compromise, is crucial. Moreover, TechGuard should enforce strict access controls and ensure that all software updates are cryptographically signed and verified before deployment. During a routine network security audit, TechGuard discovered that a significant volume of its computational resources was being diverted to unknown processes. Further investigation traced the issue back to cryptojacking malware that had infected several systems. This unauthorized mining of cryptocurrency had degraded system performance and increased energy consumption. What strategies should TechGuard employ to detect and mitigate cryptojacking activities? Monitoring for unusual CPU usage is pivotal in identifying cryptojacking activities. Deploying anti-malware solutions and keeping software patched to address vulnerabilities can significantly reduce the risk of such infections. Regular network audits and system performance analyses can help detect abnormalities early, allowing for prompt remediation. Money poor. In a different scenario, TechGuard's CEO Mark received an email from a recognizable address asking for a transfer of funds to a new supplier account. The email appeared legitimate, complete with the company's branding and familiar language. Trusting the authenticity, Mark authorized the transfer, only to discover later that the email was a sophisticated spear phishing attempt. What protocols should TechGuard establish to prevent financial losses due to spear phishing attacks? Implementing strict verification protocols for financial transactions, such as requiring multiple levels of approval and verifying changes in supplier account information through secondary channels, would be critical. Email filtering and domain authentication systems can enhance the detection of fraudulent emails. Additionally, educating executives on the risks and features of spear phishing can make a significant difference. Months after these incidents, a cybersecurity assessment revealed that TechGuard's network had been compromised by an advanced persistent threat. The attackers had established a foothold within the network, conducting long-term data exfiltration without detection. This sophisticated attack was attributed to a nation-state actor targeting TechGuard's proprietary technology. What comprehensive measures should TechGuard adopt to defend against APTs? Employing a multi-layered security approach is essential. Network segmentation can limit the lateral movement of attackers within the network. Continuous monitoring and advanced threat detection systems, leveraging artificial intelligence, can identify anomalous activities indicative of APTs. Integrating threat intelligence to stay informed about emerging threats and vulnerabilities will further enhance TechGuard's defense capabilities. In conclusion, TechGuard's journey through a series of cyber threats underscores the critical necessity of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. From ransomware and DDoS attacks to social engineering and APTs, each threat demands a nuanced approach for mitigation. Jennifer's leadership in coordinating responses and implementing preventive measures highlights the importance of a proactive stance in cybersecurity. By fostering a culture of vigilance, investing in advanced defense systems, and continuously educating employees, TechGuard can better navigate the evolving threat landscape. The integration of lessons learned from each incident forms a robust defense framework, empowering the company to protect its digital assets and ensure operational integrity.